All right, let's talk about drafting then. So you've come up with your ideas. You know what the purpose of the assignment is. You've outlined everything. You were very detailed in your outline. Now you're ready to actually write the thing out. Except you've already come up with a bunch of ideas. So what do you need to do? Well, use your outline. You need to follow that outline. You need to stay focused on purpose. Don't add extra stuff that muddies the water. And this is something that's important to me personally because I think it helps students as well. Many students feel that they can write a draft of the paper that is short of the minimum requirements. I disagree with that idea. I disagree. So, for example, if you're supposed to write 750 words and you think you're done before 750 words, you've decided done does not meet the minimum requirements for the paper. So either the requirements are optional or you are settling way less than what the assignment is supposed to be. It's like you take a test and you're just like, you know what, I'm going to stop halfway through. I'm just kind of good. Okay, seems a little strange, or I like to use this example. Okay, imagine someone who is working at McDonald's, right? He's making a Big Mac, it's your bun, and you start building it up. You got your different layers, but they just stop halfway through. There's only the two buns. They never get the top extra patty or lettuce or sauce or the top bun. You just throw that in the box and you move on out there. Someone opens up their Big Mac and they're like, this is not a Big Mac. This is a half Mac. This is not the thing that I asked for. And you're like, it's a draft. No, you did not meet the minimum. The minimum is all the things, all the layers. If your assignment says 750 words, a bunch of sources, you got to do this, then your draft should have all of that. Anything short of that is just not done yet. Does that make sense? It's not a rough draft until you have met the minimum. It's just part of a rough draft. Now, there's a difference. I wouldn't expect you to think that you are done writing at the end of the first draft, because we got 2 steps after this, right? We are not done writing. We just know to get past this thing that we call drafting, we have to finish the instructions for the assignment. It's long enough, it has all the content. What it doesn't need to be is perfect at this point. And that is when we move on to the next steps of revising and editing.